I'm going to show you how I transform from this to this to this. My name's Katie and I'm a professional makeup artist. I've spent the last 25 years teaching women like you how to fall back in love with their makeup. When you're worried about makeup looking cakey, sometimes it can be that there's just too much skincare on underneath the makeup. And what happens is that the moisture and the oil in the skincare breaks down part of your makeup, and that's where it wears off quickly. It can also prevent it from blending smoothly. Makeup sits better when the skin is primed. Now, when I say primed, I'm talking about makeup primers. This one not only helps makeup sit better on the skin, but it also gives your skin radiance. So if, like me, you look a little bit ashen without your makeup, this is going to help boost your radiance before you even reach for your makeup. A few pumps on the back of my hand. This is a universal colour. Look how it's made my skin look radiant when compared to that hand. It subtly blurs the skin without covering it, makes it radiant, and just makes the skin look a little bit more youthful. This has skin boosting peptides in it, and peptides help our skin produce more collagen. So if you're someone that doesn't know much about skincare but wants their makeup to look lovely, this is a fantastic primer for not only helping your skin build more collagen over time, but also gives you that instant radiance. And I'm going to apply it all over my face. You see how radiant it makes my bone structure look. And when your bone structure looks radiant, it bounces the light off the high points of your face and it enhances your bone structure. I have found you the perfect natural looking foundation that you can apply with your fingers, no fancy brushes required, and it looks like your skin, but better. This is the foundation and it's called Second Skin. And believe me, when you see it, it really does do just that. As soon as it goes onto your skin, you will see it just gives you the most natural coverage, so it doesn't look like you're wearing any foundation. I like to apply it where I need the foundation most. So for me, it's under my eye. It's around my nostril because we often get broken capillaries around here. If you have any redness like rosacea or pigmentation, apply to your cheeks, center of your chin, and then just blend out. When I'm blending out, I'm kind of taking it around and slightly under my jawline. And that just ensures that your makeup looks blended and like it goes into a little bit of your neckline as well. And where you need extra coverage, instead of wiping, pat and tap the product in. When you want more coverage, you're going to pat. And when you want less coverage, you're going to do feathery motions. Many of us have a little bit of redness on our eyelids, so I'm going to apply some foundation there. And what this is going to do is just going to make my eyes look rested. It's going to make my eyes just look a little bit more sparkly by evening up the skin tone. Can you see? Look at the difference. You would not know that I've got any foundation on here, but look at the difference. I'm now going to do the other side and then I'm going to join you for what's next. This foundation really lives up to its name. It's definitely Second Skin. It's just like your skin, but better. If, like me, you have dark circles, I think this has done a pretty good job in covering them. But if you want to really make your under eye look perfected, I have the best concealer, especially designed for the under eye, to share with you. And I'm going to show you how to apply your concealers at home. This is called Rested and Youthful, and on the days when you feel you need 8 hours sleep, but perhaps you've had less, this gives you the look of it. To apply your concealers at home, you're going to do this. And the way I show you is going to give you the look of I want to say like a beauty filter. This is going to take your complexion to the next level. Watch this. Apply a little to the inner corners of my eye. This is where I have darkness. I like to apply little around my nostril, a little to the center of my chin, and a little to the center of my forehead. These are the placements you apply this to give you the best looking skin of your life, regardless of the foundation you wear. I take my ring finger and I pat in. Because remember, when you pat the product in, you get a little bit more coverage. Look, wow, that has lifted my under eye. It has made my skin look absolutely flawless. This even helps blur out fine lines and crepey skin. It is incredible. Even if you didn't want to wear foundation, you could simply apply this and it will give you a really stunning look to your complexion. And it is so easy. Believe me, when you try this, you will never want to be without it. It is absolutely phenomenal. How amazing is that? Now, if I quickly show my before picture on the screen, look, all I've used is these 3 products and I have got the complexion of my dreams. This is so easy to do and it will look so, so natural. I'm going to show you an extra little boost you can do with your makeup that will give you instant youth, and that is blush. Now, I understand that many of us are scared of wearing blush, but you need not worry because as a makeup artist, I have chosen the best shade for you. This shade here is a mixture of peach and pink, which means not only does it look beautifully natural, it also is guaranteed to suit you regardless of your skin tone, because the pink and the peach work together to create a beautiful, natural, flushed look. Now, this is a watercolor blush, which means you give it a little shake and then the water consistency gives you the most natural looking blush. So as I apply it on my hand, you'll see the water-like consistency. Don't let this scare you because this is magic. Take your ring finger, dab it in just the tiniest amount, and then you're going to smile and go from the corner of your pupil, tap on your cheek and go up towards the top of your ear in then little circular motions. And what this is going to do is not only enhance your bone structure, it's going to give you that look that you look just like you've been for a really lovely walk in the sunshine. It's going to give you just a very natural, just pop of colour to your complexion. And once you use this, I'm telling you, when you don't wear it, you'll miss it. Because this is a water-like consistency, it means my skin shows through, so it doesn't look fake, it just looks like my complexion, but really, really pretty. This is an absolute game changer. At this stage of your makeup, if you're someone that's like, I think my makeup is natural, but I'm not too sure, then I have the perfect brush that's always going to guarantee your makeup looks flawless, blended, and very, very natural. It's this brush. I'm never without it in my makeup kit. It's a Genius blending brush, and the bristles, it's all vegan, but you'll see it has 2 different bristles. The black is slightly shorter and the white is slightly longer. And what this does is it blends your makeup for you. So if you don't have me in your pocket to apply your makeup, this brush is like your makeup artist in your pocket equivalent. So you take it and you gently buff your makeup with it. And it just guarantees that everything is blended, everything looks natural, everything looks just like your skin, but better. And you'll do this before you apply any eye makeup, any lipstick, but just after you've done your concealer, your foundation, and even your blush. This is brilliant. What's more, I like to apply a little of this blush to my lips. It gives my lips a natural stain, looks really beautifully natural. If you want your lips to look more voluminous and be treated with nourishing ingredients at the same time, then you're going to love this lip oil. It's not a gloss, it's a lip oil that works to condition your lips, but also it creates the most beautiful lip look. Let me show you. Applying this over the top gives your lips a beautiful sheen that just lifts the complexion even more. It's not sticky, it just feels like my lips are cocooned in nourishment. I'm going to show you ways you can lift your eye in a very natural way, and also how you can wear eyeshadow look that looks so natural but makes the most of your eye colour. Are you ready? Because this is going to blow your socks off. This is so good for giving you a brow lift. And you might be thinking, why do I want a brow lift? Well, let me show you. When you see the difference between this eye having a little lift and this eye, you're going to want to use this with the techniques I teach you. We're going to take this spoolie here and we're going to brush up our brows. By brushing up our brows and putting them into shape, it's going to give us a brow lift. Then I take the tip of the spoolie and I smooth down the ones that are poking up, like so. Now look at the difference already. I've just brushed this and it's already giving me a subtle eye lift. But that's not at all, because this here is a really beautiful brow pencil that looks natural, and I'm going to share with you the best way to fill your brows that always promises it looks natural, never too heavy. So I like to choose a colour that matches my natural hair colour. I'm going to start off by strengthening the base of my brow, because for most of us, we have a lot of gaps along this section here of our brow. It's the section between the start of our brow and the arch of our brow. So taking this pencil, I just strengthen that line by drawing a delicate line from the start of my brow to my arch. Can you see already how that strengthened the brow? Then I take the spoolie and I take that line and I blend it upwards into my brow hair. I take the tip and I smooth the hair down. That is so easy and it's made such a difference. Now, if like me, you've got a few missing hairs here, take the pencil and you're just going to draw them in like so. Take your spoolie and blend. Done. So easy. So if you have a gappy arch or tail of your brow, take your pencil and take it into the actual brow itself and just follow the shape of your brow and then just blend with the spoolie. Now look at the difference. This has really lifted this part of my eye, and all I've done is brush my brow into shape and applied a little bit of this pencil. Let me do this side, and then I have something really exciting to share with you. This duo here brightens and lifts the eye. Plus with this shadow, you don't even need an eyeshadow brush. Take a clean finger, tap it into the eyeshadow, like so, and then you're just going to press this onto your eyelid. And what this is going to do is brighten the skin regardless of your skin tone, and in turn it makes your eyes just look more awake, brighter, more rested, just so pretty but so natural. What's more, this eyeshadow comes with this eye pencil, and this eye pencil makes your eye look more rested and lifted. Let me show you. Apply this pencil to the lower waterline just around your iris. I'm not taking it right the way around, I'm just framing my iris. It brightens. Then I'm going to take this pencil and I'm going to apply it just underneath the arch of my brow. Then with my pinky finger, I'm going to blend that. And this is going to give me a lift to my brow bone, which will really enhance the work I did with the brow pencil. Let's do this side, and then I've got the best eyeliner to share with you that really makes your eyes look stunning. The techniques and the products I'm sharing with you, they're going to make applying your makeup just a joy. Put some music on, listen to a podcast, this is your time. Look, really natural, but really rested. If you've been wearing eyeliner for some time, or perhaps you've given up on it, I have a dual-ended liner that's going to change everything about your eye makeup routine, because this is called Smoky Liner. It's dual-ended and it features a beautiful dark chocolate brown that gives a depth of colour but without looking as harsh as black. And on the other side, it features a really beautiful taupe colour. And when the two are worn together, smudged together, they create the most beautiful eye look. I like to apply a little bit to the upper waterline, just at the corner of my eye. So to do that, I just hold my eye and just go right into the roots of my lashes. This is on the upper waterline. And what this will do, it will frame just the corner of the eye, which will make the lashes look fuller, thicker, and the eye will just subtly lift upwards. Then take the dark chocolate colour, then apply a little bit right on the corner, like so. Take your pinky finger, make sure it's clean, and swoosh this eyeliner as if it was going to meet the end of your brow, like this. Done. How cool is that? It's like a baby wing done really easily. I'm going to take the other end, which is this gorgeous, gorgeous taupey shade that's got a little bit of a gleam to it. This is completely smudge proof, so it's going to last all day. And I'm just going to apply this really lovely taupey shade just along the lower lid. How pretty is that? Let me do the other side. It's so cute. And I'm going to further enhance my eyes by taking this taupey shade here and just going a little bit under the lash line on the outer corner. And then wait until I show you the mascara, because the mascara is 100% smudge proof and it gives the longest lashes of your life. If you love long full lashes that are 100% smudge proof, then you are going to love this mascara. It is phenomenal. If you're someone that's perhaps toyed with, I'd love some lash extensions, this does the job for you. It's so easy to apply. You just hold the wand at the base of your lash and you blink onto the wand. The difference that this mascara makes to your lashes is absolutely incredible. So many of us have baby lashes at the corner, on the outer corner and on the inner corner, but so many mascaras are too thick a wand to reach those areas. But this wand is so little that it reaches all the baby lashes. And when you reach all the baby lashes, you get the most stunning frame of lashes around your entire eye. It makes your eyes look bigger, more almond, more open, more lifted. And you'll see, if you like a natural lash, just apply one coat. But I want to show you how you can get the look of lash extensions with this mascara. So I'm going to apply a few coats just so you can see what you can do at home. This mascara brings out and lengthens lashes that you never knew you had. It is amazing. Wow. That makes such a difference to my eyes. And I think even if I didn't have any eyeshadow or liner on, this would just be enough just to bring my eyes out, make them look larger and more open and lifted. Let me do the other eye. Oh, I am obsessed. Oh, look, pretty, just open eyes. And there you go, confident but not cakey. I hope I've inspired you to try something new with your makeup. If you have any questions, please ask. I'm here to serve and to help. Thank you so much for watching. Join me on Beauty in the Boutique for so many more products and tips and so much more. I'll see you soon. Bye.